Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. Today is going to be our third installment of our email deliverability hack series, so watch the other videos if you haven't already. If you don't know what email deliverability is, let me give you a quick recap. Deliverability refers to the concept of actually getting your email into the right place in your subscriber's inbox. The most obvious example of this, avoiding the spam folder. This is a comment that we get a lot, that their content gets sent to the spam folder. Yes, it's annoying. There's a couple of ways to get around this, but a really easy way to improve your email deliverability is to set a reply to address and invite replies. Basically, allow your fans to reply to you to establish a connection. Not only does this build relationships, it also improves your email deliverability so your emails stay away from the spam folder. This is super easy with Beacons, and I can show you how. Head into Beacons, and on the left-hand navigation, click on Email Marketing. At the top, you'll see 4 tabs, and on the right, click on Settings. The very first section is where you want to be. Make sure your sender name is accurate to you and add a good email that your replies will be sent to. It should be auto-populated, but you can change it to whatever email you want. That's pretty much it, but that's only half the solution. To get a response, you must invite or encourage them to reply. The best and easiest way for this is to have an automatic welcome email automation that asks a question to invite your subscribers to reply. To do this, go into Automations and click on the automation you want to edit. Click on the email itself, and in the email builder, you can either edit the body of text and add that question, or create a whole new text body and ask it there. This is a very simple and effective way to increase your sending reputation. If you want additional hacks and tips, watch our other email marketing videos right here. We also have a very in-depth article on our Creator University site that's linked in the description. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description and sign up for Beacons for free. And while you're at it, check out our other apps. Make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Thanks for watching, y'all, and I'll see you next time.